To execute a query in SnowSite in your Snowflake workspace, go to the left navigation, click on this plus sign here, and select SQL file. It'll create a new SQL file for you, and we're going to go up here, select our database and our schema. So for this, we'll make sure that we have this database selected and the student store schema selected. And then we'll just run a basic query to select data from the sales transactions table. We're going to limit this to 5, the first 5 rows, and then run by clicking on this play button at the top. And here we see our columns in our table and the first 5 rows of data here. You can also click on chart to view a data visualization and adjust the chart. You can change it to a bar chart. Let's give this some more space. And you can also change the values on the X and Y axis. So we can change this to product category or another dimension such as product. We'll change the Y-axis to amount, keep the aggregate to sum, and then for the title, we can just give it the title sales by product. If you want to format the query in a more readable format, go to the upper right corner here for the options with the 3 dots and select format query. Now let's find the total sales. So we'll replace this asterisk with sum of the amount, and we'll get rid of the limit 5 and click on run, and we see that our total amount over here is 15,326. Now we can rename our SQL worksheet by double clicking on the tab up here or clicking on the 3 dots and choosing rename. We'll just call this sample sales query. If you found this useful, like the video and leave a comment. If you want more content on AI, workflow automation, and analytics, subscribe to the channel.